how to view, send, and print test report. Click on More options on the right corner of the tablet and press View Data. Here, you can find all the test reports. You can search a test report by entering the patient's name. Select the patient's name to view the test report. The report shows the following details: fetal heart rate, uterine activity, fetal movement, patient details, and analysis. The analysis is based on the NICE guidelines. The reports can also be sent through WhatsApp or email. To send the report, press the Send Report option. Select the registered doctor's name and number to send, or you can manually enter the phone number to send the report. Repeat the process to send the report via email. Fetal Lite also has an inbuilt printer to print the report. To print, turn on the printer, then select the print option on the display and click Confirm. The device will take a few seconds to print the report. To connect to Wi-Fi, press the Wi-Fi button on the display, then select the desired network. The Wi-Fi is only required to send the report through WhatsApp and email. For any service and customer support, please reach out to info@InnAccel.com or 8050 421 876.